Hello, friends. Back for day 21. Sorry about yesterday. Not sure what I said in the video. Don't know how it went. Was very sick. Wasn't even sure if I was going to do a video. But feeling a little better today. This flu has moved out of my system. Sort of. Kind of. Still have a very sore throat, but the 102 fever is gone. Today we got OP10. See what's in there. Oh, I didn't even check the backs. It's too late. Oh, okay. There's a chance. So you're saying there's a chance. First hollow is Basil Hawkins, and another, no special rare. I also picked up a pack of Jujutsu Kaisen. Didn't even know they made these cards, and it's volume 2, so clearly they have made them for a little while now. But let's see what this is all about. I don't know what to expect. Don't know what the chase is. Don't know anything about it. But let's see if they at least have some cool art. Well, these are different. All right. All right. Mila. Itadori. Nita. Non-existent memories. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Atahime. Iso. Gato. Alright. Another Itadori. Whoa. That's a cool artwork. And nice. Gojo, sorry. Been a while since I've watched. That's a pretty sick card. I don't know if they're worth anything. Comment, let me know if you've played or know anything about these cards. How'd I do? I feel like I did pretty well based off of what I know from watching the show. Anyway, like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.